computer system is made up of a number of components. These components are input devices, memory devices, and output devices. We have seen that computer takes input to process it and provides output. But how do we provide input to the computer? Let's explore. We give data or instructions to the computer by using input devices. Input devices are those devices that can be used to insert data, instructions, or information into a computer. Keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, and scanner are a few input devices. Out of all these input devices, the most we will be using are the keyboard and the mouse. So, let us know them in more detail. Let us start from the keyboard. Keyboard is used to enter data into a computer. Now, let us see different types of keys and their functions. Typing keys. These here are typing keys. They include the letters, numbers, punctuation, spacebar, and symbols. Control keys. The Control key, Alt key, the Windows logo key, and the Escape key are the control keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. Function keys. Function keys are labeled as F1, F2, F3, and so on, up to F12. The functionality of these keys differs from program to program. These keys are used to perform specific actions. Navigation keys. Navigation means locating position. The navigation keys help us to move around in documents, data sheets, presentations, or web pages, and edit text. These include the arrow keys, home, end, page up, page down, delete, and insert. This here is numeric keypad. It is designed like a conventional calculator to input numbers. Now, see this mouse. It is called mouse because it holds the shape of a real mouse. It is interesting how we use a mouse. It needs more skill than using a keyboard. We use mouse to point to and interact with items on our computer screen. Mouse is a pointing device. When we move the mouse, we can see a small moving arrow. This arrow is called the pointer. Using this pointer, we can provide data or instructions to the computer for processing. A mouse has two buttons, a left button and a right button. Mouse also includes a scroll wheel between the buttons to help us scroll through documents and web pages more easily.